and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and today we have Miss Cassandra Rhodes with us. Miss Cassandra is a native of Chicago but relocated here to Atlanta in 2016. She is a wife, a mother of one, and a grandmother to 2 grandchildren. She is also the proud owner of the Gumbo Gourmet, and today we're going to be discussing how a business idea can translate to a generational wealth planning strategy for you and your family. Now let's get into this. Okay, Ms. Cassandra, thank you so much for today's interview. As we wrap up this generational wealth planning session, I want to highlight your shirt. It says, "I am living proof. The prayers of my ancestors reach God." Can you kind of speak into that for us?
Sure. I mean, when we talk about our ancestors, everybody talks about, one thing that gets to me is when people always talk about what would the dead want, right? Or what would the dead do? And what would they, and since we're talking about legacy and really, I believe that the prayers of my ancestors was the legacy that they were able to leave to us. We talk about how in the Black community, we don't do a whole lot of that legacy planning and estate planning, and we're not looking at it as a thing of passing down something, right? And it's just now in 2025, even myself, understanding what's necessary, when you're building assets, we're doing all this work, we're not thinking about what's happening, in real time. And so we have evolved to a place where we're leaving legacies to people, right? This is what we were able to inherit, I wasn't left a home, I wasn't left a building, I was left the prayers of my ancestors to sustain me through all of the hard times, okay? So I created this shirt as a result of my 1-year anniversary. It's the anniversary edition of the Gumbo Gourmet's t-shirt. It's the anniversary edition t-shirt for the Gumbo Gourmet. And it was really just a testament to thank God, for what has sustained me, and just knowing, they're with me. My ancestors are with me as I go each day. And I honor them in all of the things that I do and that I pass along, and that I pass down to my family.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for sharing it with us. And congratulations on all of your accomplishments, and I wish you all the best in your business.
Thank you so much. And I just have to give you a compliment on the manifested shirt because, in real life, I'm writing it down 3 times, 6 times, 9 times.
Speak what you seek.
There you go.
Absolutely. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Subscribe to my channel to learn more about probate real estate, financial literacy, and generational wealth planning.